With AFI AI, you can convert all SiteStripe codes of your website in just one click. All the SiteStripe codes on your site are converted instantly and automatically. Instantly, the codes will be converted into images and attractive product boxes, and they will be updated automatically without any action on your part. SiteStripe images no longer display on your website. The solution is AFI AI. Whether you have hundreds or thousands of SiteStripe codes on your website, in just one click, all your codes are instantly converted using AFI AI. Moreover, you can customize the display design with the template and colors of your choice.